Good morning, day 4. There is the Shannon Princess reversing in. We're at town section today. I fished town in the open, didn't do very well, but I'm more optimistic today. It's basically fish, Guinness, sleep, repeat. Fish, Guinness, sleep, repeat. Fish, Guinness, sleep, repeat. Day 4, open shit. Monday, shit. Tuesday, winner. Wednesday, shit. It's Thursday. Let's try a good peg. Let's try my best. That's all we can keep doing. Oh, the fish are there. Like I say, I'm in a very, very good field. Yeah, slight mist this morning. Slightly cooler, but the sun is going to come out again. It's going to be gorgeous. Day 4, Thursday morning. Dave Brooks angling coming in the scene. Here's today's winner. Give us a wave, Dave. Legend. Good fisherman. Talks a lot of shit, but he's a good fisherman. Hiya. So we have drew town peg 1. There's a bit of a backlog at a minute, a boat. I think I'm waiting for the bridge to open. There's like 6 in a row. But they don't affect the fishing. So yeah, I've set up the at 6 metres with a 6 gram float for just past the reeds. It's very deep. It's 5.5 metres deep at 6 metres, and I've set up the 13-foot Maver power light. Same rig I've used all week for in the deeper water out. Good pole peg. I'm going to also set up the 8 metre, so I'm going to have a 6 metre and an 8 metre in case the fish drop off a bit. Wish me luck. It's Thursday, feeling optimistic. I've got Arunus next to me, who's a fucking great angler, but you've got to be in it to win it. So we go again. Who put me in trees? I'm in fucking trees, foliage. I mean, I don't mind a bit of foliage, but I'm going to be fucking tangling every time I try and lift my pole up because I'm a mong. But you already know that, don't you? But yeah, it's only 10 o'clock. I've got an hour. I've got to sort my bait out and shit. Not spoke to Bob yet, but yeah, Thursday morning, another gorgeous day. Sun's coming out. Let's have it. Hiya. So it's 1:30, we're 2.5 hours in, and it's fucking solid. I've not stopped catching. So we're going to try YouTube Live. I'm going to put you there. It's windy, it's sun's in your face, but that's the best I can do. I hope you can hear me. Simple helicopter rig, set up, 3 red maggots, got my ground bait in, let's get it in, see if I can show you some fish. Probably fuck up now, you lot are watching me. We're in. Takes a while to settle because it's nice and deep. Still not settled. Still not settled. Still not settled. Settled. 1/2 turn and wait. Usually about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fish on. It's been like this since 11 o'clock. I've also got a hybrid in my net the size of a fucking Rottweiler. Yes, I have. People say they never see fish on the video, so I'm going to bring you fish. That's the stamp I'm getting. Discard your job, unfortunately. In the net. Check me maggots. They're chewed, so we'll change the maggots. Literally can't get it in quick enough. If anyone's interested, my ground bait mix today is all hinders. I've got Imbus supercharged, full bag. I've got Inders expanding, half a bag, and I've got Inders, Hinders, what's it called? Crushed hemp seed, half a bag. And it's getting me lots of bites. I did go on the pole for 20 minutes. I had 20 fish, but they're all the size of my fucking big toenail. Reload, we go again. I'm at 25 turns. I've got a telegraph pole in the distance that I'm aiming at. Land on the carb on it. You know the dance. Let's see if we can get you another one. Still not landed. I'll do 5 minutes. That's 2.5 minutes. See how many fish we can get in 5 minutes. takes longer for the feeder to hit the bottom than for me to show you fish. Right, we're on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Missed it. That was 5 seconds, but watch. Let it resettle. Resettled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, come on. 11, 12, 13. Fish on. 10 seconds. If I fucking miss a bite, I'll let it resettle wherever it is and we'll get another fish. It's solid. Welcome to Ireland. I'm having a good day. Came last yesterday. Same size. Good stamp. I came last again yesterday. So, if I'm on a peg where I can fish a feeder, I'm doing alright. Maggots are sound. Few caster in the tub. Bait filled. Wipe my hand on towel. Helicopter rig. Go again. I'm on a size 14 hook, fishing triple red maggot. Sometimes I go in St George's doing red, white, red, but I don't want to offend anyone. Carb on it, same spot. We're in. Going for 4 minutes. Let's see if we can get you another fish. Don't want my video to be too long, do we? Not spoke to Bob, not spoke to anyone. Not had a piss, not had a brew. Settled. Half a turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's quite choppy because of the wind. 9, 10, 11. Fish on. Another fish on. Should we stay on or are you bored of me? So I don't think I'm going to come last today unless everyone else is catching as good as this. But this is pretty fucking solid. He's a baby. Ooh, babies. My hybrid came in the first half an hour. Maggots are fine. Reload the inders. Wipe my hand. We go again. Yeah, first half an hour. Big bite. Fuck off. Cracking fight. I reckon it's about £4.5. Carb on it. We're in again to the clip. Down. I'm using the 12 foot today. I like the action a bit more. Although the wind is playing a bit of havoc. We'll go for a couple more fish, then I'll put you down. And settled. Half a turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fish on. 5 seconds. Do you like it? I like it. Can I fish any faster? I don't know. Another chunky one. Come to daddy. Check the maggots. One's fucked. Change that for a fresh one. Change that for a fresh one. And repeat. Get the enders in. Go again. Wipe my hand. Bit paranoid about the trees behind me, but so far I've been okay. Carb on it, telegraph pole. Yep, on the spot. And wait again. Good this, isn't it? How many fish have you seen so far? I'll do one more. This is longer than most of my videos. Gorgeous day, had a great week, great company. I'd recommend it if you're a fisherman who watches my videos. Half a turn. 1, 2, 3. That wasn't even half a turn. Oh, I fucking missed it. I'm talking to you fuckers. Resettle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're in again. Oh, this is a better one. This feels chunkier. No, it doesn't. It feels about the same as the others. Good job I'm not using my landing net because my phone's fucking propped against the handle. That's a bit better. It's a stamp. Good fish. Right, that's been 8 minutes. I'm going to say goodbye. I will keep you posted, but you can see what's going on. So, it's 2:30 and I am going to piss myself. So we need to stop for a minute. The feeder went quiet, so I've been on the pole for 20 minutes for about 10 little fish. So the fish are there on the pole line if I need them. But I'm going to persist on the feeder. Right, I'm going to put you away. I can't get my cock out. Anyway, I'm going back on the feeder. 3 o'clock, just had a bit of a catastrophe. So I've just gone to cast. A big gust of winds blew me fucking rig into them bushes and I've snapped everything off. But we are back up and running. We're just now on a 40 gram cage feeder, still on the helicopter rig. Reset up quick, let's get it back in. It's gone a bit slower. Still a few fish out there. 2 hours to go. Let's fish hard now, see if we can get a few more fish, see if we can try and get a few more hybrids. It's going well, can't complain. So it's 5 o'clock, we are all out. I've caught fish. I don't know if I've caught as many as I did Monday, but I've caught a lot of fish. So, fingers crossed, who knows, there's some fucking good anglers, some fucking good pegs. Last time I was on town, last year, I caught £33. Fucking buzzing, I was made up and came last in section with my biggest ever weight of fish. So, who knows, I've caught fish. That's it, I'm proud of what I've done. Let's see if it's enough to beat a few of the other anglers. We don't know yet. I'll show you that fucking Rottweiler Bream hybrid thing I've got in a bit as well. There you go, mate. Well, you know what you're doing now.
Yeah.
Come on, let's see. About 8 kilos is good,
Come on, let's be having you.
Don't know, you know. Might not be as good as I think.
It's close. Feel good.
Might not be 8.
It's gonna be close. Yeah, there is. King of the town.
What do you reckon? Is it more than 8?
Yeah, definitely.
You've done it.
Yes. Get in.
Well done. Again.
Again. Cosy.
8-2. 8,750.
8,750. Deeks, just get a look at this bream with me, mate.
No problem.
Is it an hybrid? I don't fucking know.
King of the town, better blow your wellies off now.
Yeah, just grab the net line, grab that fish.
That's a big hybrid.
That's a good one, isn't it?
Get in, Dave, you're in. Grab another one.
Well done, fella.
Well done.
Get in.
Well done.
2 in a week, you would have funked it.
Put that on for him, Bill.
Okay, brilliant.
Let's tell Bob get his fucking dancing shoes on.
Well done, Phil.
Thanks, mate. What the fucking...
Beer 8 party tomorrow now.
Oh, yeah, no, and tonight. It's going off. Time mucker. Would you fucking funk it? First again. Last first. Another day tomorrow. Let's see if we can go it again. It should be in, it's a pole place, but yeah. Gotta be in it to win it. I've done well. I'm buzzing again. 8 kilos, 700. You've seen the video. Come on.